Kikariki is what the rooster says in Spanish. Coroco in Portuguese. Woo 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 in Chinese. Kikariki in German. Kokeo in Korean. But I don't know what this is. There he is. Rooster, rooster. This is my Nazi chicken experiment. They're all going to leave him. And see, we're going in the coop. Tend to pick on poor old Rooster Rooster. I don't know why, but I just want to pick him up and hold him. Rooster Rooster. I caught him. He didn't get out on his own. I made him go out. Rooster Rooster. He just loves to be petted, don't you, Rooster Rooster? Next experiment, let's see if they come out. Call them. Tell them. Come out. Rooster Rooster is about 3.5 months old now. It won't be long until he'll want to do boy rooster stuff. Come on, do it again. That just cracks me up. Well, have a Merry Christmas. That's really what I wanted to say. And may you find your voice, no matter how weird it is, in the new year.